Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to be doing the range test in the Peugeot e2008. So I have been to my local rapid charger at the Porsche head office, and I have taken it up to 96%. I'll just quickly show you. Showing estimated 171 miles. The weather is very mild at the moment, so hopefully we can get a decent range. Now tomorrow I will be commuting to London and back, which is about 110 miles round journey. So fingers crossed we can make it there and back on the charge. If we don't, then I think we got some issues. So I will catch up with you in the morning when I leave for work, and I will then do an update when we get into London, just like a halfway point to see how much mileage we've used, and then when we get back in the evening we can see the full range that we got for that commute. So I will catch up with you later. So we've made it to London. So halfway through the journey I will quickly show you what the data is so far for that journey. So let me just quickly flick you around to the screen. So as you can see, we did 57 miles, and again 57 miles, 4.6 miles per kilowatt hour, average speed of 23 miles. So you know, 4.6 miles per kilowatt hour is a very respectable economy on here. Like I say, it was about 16 degrees, between 13 and 16 by the time I got into London, and 70% of the journey was motorway. The rest was obviously inner London over to the South Bank. Now I am going to go home now, so I will catch up with you when we get back to my home and see what the round trip cost in miles and economy. So catch up with you soon. So we have finished the range test. We've done the commute. This is actually the next morning. It was a bit late last night when I got back. So like I said earlier in the video actually, that I did a commute into central London and back on the charge. You've already had the halfway update, so I am now going to give you the final data figures. Here we are, we're looking at 116 miles done, an average of 4.4 miles per kilowatt. And we have got 33% battery left. So, you know, it's showing about 54 miles range left, 33% battery. So on that sort of figures, you're looking at around 160 to 170 miles on the charge in this nicer weather, which isn't too shabby. So you know, it was an easy commute. Haven't had to stop and get a charge, so it's, you know, it's a bit different to when I had the car earlier in the year in the winter, where you know, I was struggling to get it above 4 miles per kilowatt hour. You know, it was in the mid 3s. So that brings us to the end of this video. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and smash that notification bell so you're made aware of when I upload the videos. You know, if you want to leave a comment below or share, that all helps the channel as well. So I will catch up with you in the next video, which will be my final one in the e2008. So it'll just be like an overview of my thoughts on the car while I've owned it, as I have a new car coming next week. So happy driving and stay safe.